Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new 412 piece toolkit that I got. So as someone who prior military, DIY, I do all the things in my house. I don't have a spouse to do them for me. I love tools. I have a whole garage full of them. But sometimes I want to be able to take it with me on the go, especially when I'm out here in the yard doing projects and I might need different tools. So this has 412 different pieces. I mean, it's literally got everything that you need in here. Okay, so we've got some Allen wrench set here. We've got some screwdrivers, some wrenches, pipe wrench. All right, so we've got all your wrenches up here. We've got some Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, regular wrenches, different sizes. There's even a little saw here, and then different drill bits right here for you to use. And these will fit inside some of these handles. You can just use them interchangeably. And then down here on the bottom, we have socket sets. We have some more wrenches, a box cutter, a hammer, sockets, a tape measure, some wire cutter grips here, two different pairs of those. And then here on, let me pull this down in here like that, pop that back in there. And then here in the bottom, let me pop that, we have a drawer. I'm going to open all this up for you here. Okay, there's a B. There we go. So this drawer comes out. We have some more drill bits here, some scissors, some blades for your box cutter, thermometer. Let's see, we've got a leveler right here, some different like screws and just hanging things, tacks, if you're going to hang stuff on the wall, things like that. Some electrical tape, some more nails, drywall screws. I mean, when I said this has a little bit of everything, I wasn't kidding. I mean, it's literally your all-in-one starter kit. So if you're sending your daughter into her own apartment for the first time, or your son, I don't know if he'd like the pink, but this is a great starter kit to give someone who maybe don't already have a lot of tools and they just need something to have around the house for some DIY projects. Like I said, for me, I just like having an extra set of everything and having it all right here in this one container. Take it with me out here in the yard if I need to go to a friend's house to help them with projects. I don't have to carry a heavy bag. I have it all in here. But you guys, this thing is freaking awesome. I can't really think of anything else that would make this better except maybe some power tools to go along with it.